They start to drip. Texts slow down. Energy fades. You feel it in your gut before you see it. That sinking electric pain of being unchosen. But what if I told you there's one thing you can say, just one sentence, that flips everything, that makes them feel your absence like fire in their chest, that pulls them back before they even understand why? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn, most people will never be told. This isn't about chasing, it's about pulling the strings without touching them. This is forbidden psychology, the art of emotional gravity. And the second you understand it, you stop losing people, you stop being forgotten, you stop watching your worth drain in silence. Because, let's be honest, they don't ghost you because you're weak. They ghost you because you never activated their mind. You never became the drug they couldn't quit. Until now, you've been too available, too safe, too expected. You text back, quick. You explain. You try to fix things. You give, hoping they'll stay. And every time, it makes them colder. You're trying to warm them with water, but they need fire. Let me ask you, how many times have you felt invisible when you should have been unforgettable? How many times have you said, maybe if I just talked to them, and all it did was push them further? That ends now, because once you learn what I'm about to show you, you won't just get attention, you'll hold power. There's a reason why some people never get left, why they walk into a room and hearts react before minds catch up, why their silence makes people panic. These people speak a secret language, and starting now, so will you. Tactic 1, the mirror sentence. Here's the first weapon, the mirror sentence. When they pull away, do not chase, do not beg. Instead, say this: you seem a little distant. It's okay if you need space. I'm just noticing. That's it. It disarms them. It puts the mirror up without blame. They see themselves clearly, maybe for the first time. You're not reacting emotionally. You're observing, like a calm storm, silent but heavy. It makes them question everything. Why aren't you clinging? Why aren't you unraveling? Suddenly, you're the mystery again. And people crave mystery like oxygen. Most never learn this, but now you have. Tactic 2, the power drop. Second move, the power drop. After the mirror sentence, pull back. Go silent for a beat. Not out of anger, but out of poise. Let your absence echo. Don't post a story just to be seen. Don't subtweet. Don't reach. Instead, let them feel the cold. Why? Because silence triggers curiosity, and curiosity is emotional hunger. When they don't know what you're thinking, they invent stories. They imagine you moving on, thriving, laughing, flirting, and that thought, it burns deeper than any angry message ever could. This move, it's psychological gravity, and it pulls them back. Tactic 3, the contrast frame. Now, when they return, and they usually do, use the contrast frame. Casually, calmly say, I noticed when I pull my energy back, people tend to notice me more. Funny how that works. You say it like it's just an observation, but it hits like thunder. Why? Because you've just shown them something rare: self-awareness, detachment, value. You've painted yourself as someone who chooses, not someone who begs. Most people live in reaction, but you now live in control. And when they feel that contrast, they chase it. Tactic 4, emotional misdirection. Next weapon, emotional misdirection. When they try to reopen the door, don't rush back in. Instead, pivot. Talk about a goal, a new obsession, a dream you're building. Say, lately I've been obsessed with leveling up. Relationships are secondary. This creates tension. You're not just available anymore. You're on a path, and they're either coming with you, or they're out. This triggers attraction at the core, because people want what moves without them. They chase what doesn't need them. And right now, you're becoming that force. Tactic 5, controlled vulnerability. Last weapon, but the most potent, controlled vulnerability. At the right moment, once tension is rebuilt, drop one soft line. I don't give my energy easily. When I do, it's real. This line is gold. It's soft but sharp, intimate but powerful. It says, I have depth, but you have to earn it. And once they sense that, once they realize they almost lost it, the game changes forever. Remember, this isn't manipulation. It's alignment. You're aligning your worth with your presence. And most people will never learn this, but you just did. Now you have the edge. You're no longer the one waiting to be chosen. You've become the gravity they orbit. Most wander through life hoping to be seen, but you just stepped into power. Because once you know how to pull someone back without lifting a finger, once your silence hits louder than their rejection, you're different, you're rare, you're unforgettable. Question is, what will you do now? Will you slip back into the person who chased approval, or will you move forward with fire in your blood? and become someone they never forget. Your voice is no longer a whisper, it's a trigger. Your mind is no longer fog, it's a weapon. The next time someone pulls away, you won't just get them back, you'll make them fear losing you again. And that is how you take control of the game. Subscribe if you're ready to stop chasing and start commanding attraction.